Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add interactive data visualizations to Notion. This is a powerful way to transform your databases into visual insights that update automatically as your data changes, making it easier to spot trends and share information with your team. First, open Notion and select your workspace from the sidebar. Once you're in, navigate to the database or table you want to visualize. This could be a project tracker, sales pipeline, or any database where visual representation would help you understand the data better. At the top left of your database, you'll see a plus add a view button. Click on it to open the View Options menu. From the list that appears, select Chart to create a new chart view. This feature allows you to visualize your data without leaving Notion or using external tools. Next, you'll be prompted to name your chart view. Give it a descriptive name that reflects what you're visualizing, then click anywhere outside the text field to save it. This helps you organize multiple views if you're working with different data perspectives. Now look to the top right corner of your database where you'll find a toggle-like button. Click this to edit the chart properties. This is where the real customization begins, allowing you to shape how your data is displayed. In the Chart Properties panel, choose your preferred chart type from the available options: column, bar, line, or donut. Each type serves different purposes, so select the one that best represents your data. For example, line charts work well for trends over time, while donut charts are perfect for showing proportions. After selecting your chart type, you'll need to define what data to display. Select the database properties you want to use for the x-axis and y-axis values. This determines what information gets plotted and how it's organized visually. To make your chart more visually appealing and easier to read, click the Customize button. Here you can adjust colors to match your workspace theme or highlight specific data points. Finally, if you want to focus on specific data subsets, apply any filters you need. This narrows down what appears in your visualization, helping you zero in on the information that matters most. The beauty of Notion's chart views is that they're interactive and automatically update whenever your underlying database changes, giving you real-time visual insights without manual updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.